Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video I'll tell you guys that how you can install official blood pressure monitoring application on your Galaxy Watch Active 2. Yes guys, as of now the method is only working on the Watch Active 2. I was able to install the application on Galaxy Watch, but it was stuck at 0% during the calibration process. I think Galaxy Watch is lacking some hardware to provide that blood pressure monitoring feature. Anyways, we have to wait a bit further for an official statement from Samsung on BP for Galaxy Watch. So guys, moving on to the procedure for the Watch Active 2 users, it is not that much complicated. First you have to download a bunch of files. Links for all the files will be down in the description. Okay, so first 3 files are from XDA and the remaining 4th file is from Tizen website. Make sure you download the Tizen Studio 3.7, which is the 4th file, from the correct link down in the description. Now you have to change some settings on your watch. Go to the settings, scroll down to About Watch, and here enable debugging. Now click Software and hit multiple times Software version. This will enable developer mode on your Galaxy Watch Active 2. Also go to the connections, and this is present in settings, and make sure the Wi-Fi is set to always on. And also copy the IP address of Wi-Fi or note it down on any page. Make sure your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi to which your watch is connected. Go to the folder where you have downloaded all the files. Just unzip them. Also install Tizen Studio. After the installation process is completed, open Tizen Studio and hit launch. You will see a box at the top which will say no target. Just click drop down menu and select launch remote device manager. Now you can see either scan for your device or add manually. Scan wasn't working for me, so I added my device manually just by entering the IP address which I copied from the Wi-Fi section on my Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now after connecting, toggle the switch on, and if you get a prompt message on your watch, just hit the tick button which is on your watch. Also, if you're not able to connect to the watch via this Tizen Studio, make sure to reboot your watch and try again. Now move to the folder where we have downloaded all the zip files. Here we can see a TPK folder. Just copy bp.tpk and paste it in STB folder, data, tools. Now here you can paste this bp.tpk. So now open nscon, which is actually cmd, and enter the following commands. STB install bp.tpk. It will take a few seconds and official BP application will be installed on your Galaxy Watch Active 2. One last step is to copy the APK file from the folder and paste it into your phone. On your phone, go to the download manager and install this application. Now open BP app on your watch and click open phone app. On the phone app, all the methods are described very comprehensively. Just enter the details correctly and don't forget to calibrate the watch with the cuff-based BP apparatus. After calibrating it for 3 times, you're good to go. Now you can easily check BP on your Watch Active 2. As this is just for reference, I'll suggest you guys not to change your medicine only based on this reading. Do consult a doctor before doing so. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.
Oh, I knew you would call.